In this video, you'll learn how to use the Find and Replace tool, what it does, and how to configure it. The Find and Replace tool works like the same feature in Excel, but inside your automation flow. It picks a value from a previous step and replaces it before passing it on. Open your automation, click the plus button between steps, and find the Find and Replace tool in the list. Open the tool settings. In the Where to Replace field, select the output from the previous step, for example, a phone number. Enter what to find and what to replace it with. Then choose the search mode, first, last, or all occurrences. Use the result in any action field. This keeps your data clean across automations, phone numbers, emails, names, IDs, any text that needs adjusting. Now you can replace any text value right inside your automation. Find the full guide at the link in the description.